This is Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes, powered by VPO, and we are here at this beautiful house in Buford, Georgia. Come take a look with me, and don't forget to subscribe. Just want to dive into a couple details about the house. So again, this home price is $435,000. It's in the Enclave at Park Ridge subdivision. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house. It's got 2,954 square feet. Now this house is in Buford, Georgia. It's a popular area for two reasons. I'd say one, the schools have gotten a lot better here. And also two, there's a lot more land where there's been new construction built, so you have a lot more new homes here than in other places in Gwinnett County. So actually this home was built in 2011, and you can see that the curb appeal is very good from the front, as well as the inside. The layout is very modern and contemporary. Now I will say that you can check out my other video where I had one that was priced in a similar price point, but I advertised it as 300,000's price range because I knew the price would come down on that due to some of the things that needed to be spruced up and renovated in the house. For this one, I'll tell you, even as a realtor myself, didn't expect to see that there's still a lot of scuff marks on the walls. There needs to be a completely new interior paint job done. The pictures online always are deceiving, I will say. But anyway, I will say that this house price of $435,000 is more justified than the last one in my other video, partly because it's bigger and it's in a better location, more sought after location. So as far as those things go, you can definitely count on some interested parties wanting to move in. So a couple statistics about Buford, which I like to share because want to keep in mind, here's the big thing, is that obviously when you look at all the different cities and locations, Gwinnett County, Forsyth County, Fulton County, and so on, that whatever the price home is, it may be offering a different kind of feature or feeling about the house than in another city or location. So this home price being in the low 400,000s, it might be a smaller house in a different city or a bigger house in a different city. So keep all that in mind, but this is a good representation of, we'll say, Gwinnett County in this price range. So with that, some details about Buford itself is that the average price point, and this is of all the homes that have sold in the last 6 months, which totaled 207 homes, the average price was $438,789. And the average sold price, or the list price to sold price ratio, was 102.11. That means that this market is hot, obviously. I think a lot of us know that. And that the offer prices that have been accepted were primarily over asking price. That's where you get the 2.11% over the list price. The average days on market, 17 days. Now again, Buford, one of the pluses, the pros about here is that it's a newer place in terms of the communities. And so this house being built in 2011, the average year built in terms of all the houses sold in Buford in the last 6 months is 2009. So that's pretty new compared to, you could go to Duluth, which is a great place, by the way, but it also has some older homes there in the 90s and 80s. So with that said, this is what you can expect with a $400,000 home in Georgia. What does it get you? It's this. More modern and contemporary look. Square footage is almost 3,000, which I would say is on the higher end, so maybe around 2,500 square feet is what you can expect for that price range. And then good schools. The cons, at least with this house specifically, is again, you got scuff marks and cuts and whatever you want to say as far as the cosmetics. that need to be completely renovated through interior paint, as well as carpet. This one's okay, but upstairs they need to clean out the entire carpet with new carpet. Now, the deck outside also is quite worn from the weather over the years, so that one needs to be protected and taken care of better. And also, really that's about it. The age of the roof, I believe, is the original, so it's 10 years. Roofs tend to go for about 30 years on architectural shingle style, and then 20 years for a 3-tab shingle style. So this one still got plenty of life left on the roof. Other than that, it's a great home waiting for a great buyer. What does $400,000 price range get you here in Georgia? This is what you can expect. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe, and please take a look at my other videos about new construction and what does $600,000 and $300,000 get you in Georgia. Until next time.